What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cutting through the noise and looking at 10 gadgets that actually earn their spot in your daily carrier toolkit. No fluff, just gear that's genuinely worth your money. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the bulky brick you call a wallet. Time for an upgrade. This is the Fidelo Slim Wallet, and it's a minimalist's dream. Effortless card access. Check this out. See the push button? One click and your cards swiftly present themselves. No more fumbling, no more digging. It's like having an eject button for your plastic. Built to last, it's got a durable trigger spring inside, so this mechanism won't quit on you. It's built for daily use, which, let's be honest, is where most slim wallets fail. Advanced RFID protection. This is critical. The quality leather design houses cutting-edge RFID blocking, shielding your information against 13.56 MHz frequencies. Your data stays safe, even if you're carrying a wallet that screams modern. Minimalistic style. Holds up to 6 cards, is wrapped in quality leather, and comes in a sharp gift box. Style and substance, all in your front pocket. Number 2. Ab Roller Wheel. The Core Shredder. Okay, from your pocket to your core. This is the all-in-one ab roller wheel kit. Stop doing sad crunches. Comprehensive 10-piece set. This isn't just a wheel. You get the roller, a thick foam knee mat, push-up bars, wrist wraps, a stretched band, and a jump rope. It's a full home gym starter pack focused on your core. Ultra wider base. The wheel itself is 3 inches thick, meaning superior stability and a max load of 440 pounds. It's non-slip rubber on strong stainless steel, so it's quiet and won't trash your floors, whether you're on carpet or wood. Full body workout. This tool strengthens your abs, shoulders, arms, and legs. It's the king of compound core movements, working your hip flexors and back, helping to improve lower back strength and reducing injury risk. Number 3. 2025 New Ab Roller Wheel with Knee Mat and Timer. Core 2.0. Now, for those who want the new hotness, meet the 2025 Automatic Rebound Ab Roller. Automatic Rebound design, the game changer. It uses an intelligent auxiliary brake system that provides automatic steel rebound, giving you smooth assistance as you roll back in. It makes it easier for beginners and adds a controlled resistance for the pros. Built-in timer. This is genius for tracking your progress. Know exactly how long you're grinding. Double wheel and anti-slip. It's a wider, more stable stance for better control, especially for beginners. Plus, the 5 layers of anti-slip, anti-noise materials mean you can use it anytime without waking the entire house. Elbow support. The unique elbow support design helps you focus entirely on your core, not on straining your arms. That's how you grow 6-packs faster and safer. Number 4. Anker Soundcore Upgraded Bluetooth Speaker. The all-day party. We need a soundtrack for all this cool gear. Enter the Anker Soundcore Upgraded Bluetooth Speaker. Astonishing sound. Dual high-sensitivity drivers and a patented bass port deliver breathtaking stereo sound with deep bass and zero distortion. It punches way above its weight class. 24-hour battery life. Anker is legendary for batteries, and this is no exception. 24 hours of sublime music on a single charge. You'll run out of party before the speaker runs out of juice. IPX5 waterproof. Design-wise, it's solid, drop-proof, and has an IPX5 rating. Splashes and rain are fine. It's designed to play rain or shine. Effortless connectivity. Uses Bluetooth 5.0 for instant pairing and a rock-solid connection up to 66 feet. Just grab, go, and listen. Number 5. HOTO Cordless Rotary Toolkit, the Detail Master. For the tinkerer, the DIYer, or even the detail-oriented pet owner, this is the HOTO Cordless Rotary Toolkit. It looks like something from a sci-fi movie. Quiet and powerful performance. Don't let the size fool you. This 4V cordless powerhouse delivers enough torque for grinding, cutting, polishing, and carving on wood, metal, and plastic, all with a low noise motor. 5-speed adjustable control. You get 5 precise speeds, from a delicate 5,000 RPM for fine engraving to 25,000 RPM for efficient material removal. Precision at your fingertips. Dual collet compatibility. The built-in 3.2mm collet and 2.3mm replacement mean you can use accessories from most major brands. No proprietary lock-in ear. Safety and LED lighting. It has a built-in shadowless LED ring light to illuminate your work area, plus an auto shut-off after 7 seconds of inactivity and a shield for eye protection. Smart design, plain and simple. Number 6. RAK Magnetic Wristband, the third hand. Every man needs an extra hand sometimes, and this is the next best thing. The RAK Magnetic Wristband. 10 extra strong magnets, embedded with 10 powerful magnets to securely hold screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits right on your wrist. It's a literal tool belt for your forearm. Stop putting nails in your mouth. This is safer, faster, and less gross. Rugged and tear resistant. It's made from 1680 ballistic nylon, which is the heavy-duty stuff. It's built for mechanics and handymen, but it's lightweight and comfortable with a breathable mesh interior. Versatile and adjustable. One size fits most, fully adjustable, and a fantastic gift idea for the DIYer who thinks he is everything. Number 7. RAVS Butane Soldering Iron Kit Cordless. The hot multi-tool. If your projects need heat, you need to go cordless. This is the RAVS Butane Soldering Iron Kit. Multi-purpose 14-piece kit. It's a soldering iron, a heat shrink torch, and a micro torch. The max temperature hits an insane 1,250 degrees Celsius / 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit for the torch, and 500 degrees Celsius / 950 degrees Fahrenheit for soldering. Perfect for welding, plumbing, woodworking, or even lighting up a cigar. Precise temperature control, adjustable temperature control, and a piezo ignition for one-touch startup. Fast heating means less waiting and more doing. Cordless and portable. A 100% metal refillable fuel tank and a convenient carrying case mean this whole workshop is completely portable. Just fill it up with butane sold separately, you know the drill, and you're good to go. Number 8. LEXIVON Butane Soldering Iron. The premium burn. If you want a more premium butane option, check out the LEXIVON Butane Soldering Kit. Professional 13-piece kit. Comes with a full range of tips for every job, featuring a self-igniting trigger and flame-locking button. Massive runtime. The large tank capacity gives you up to 75 minutes of runtime and fully refills in a lightning-fast 10 seconds. You can power through your project without constant interruption. Built to last. Features a durable, pre-tested 100% metal refillable fuel tank. This isn't one of the cheap ones that'll melt or leak. It's pro-grade. Number 9. GAOCHALE AirTag Wallet. Never lose your cash. Lost wallets are a pain. This is how you solve it. The GAOCHALE AirTag Wallet. Designed for AirTag, it has a built-in, secure pocket specifically for your Apple AirTag. The design ensures excellent signal strength so you can find your wallet easily. Just a note, AirTag is not included. Minimalist and RFID blocking. Crafted from top-grain leather and aluminum, it's a beautifully slim design. It also features RFID blocking technology to keep thieves from scanning your private info. Lifetime guarantee. They are confident in their premium materials, offering a lifetime guarantee. That's a sign of quality. It holds up to 6 cards in the pop-up mechanism and fits comfortably in your front pocket. Number 10. 90,000 Lumens Rechargeable Camping Flashlight. The sun in your hand. Finally, we have to talk about power. This is the 90,000 Lumens Rechargeable Camping Flashlight. This thing turns night into day. 90,000 lumens, an upgraded chip. Equipped with a TG upgraded chip, it puts out an absurd 90,000 lumens. It can genuinely make a dim backyard look like daylight. USB-C fast charging and power bank. It charges quickly via USB-C in 3 to 5 hours, and it has a USB output port, so you can use its massive 5,000 mAh battery to charge your phone in an emergency. It's a flashlight and a power bank combo. Camping light mode in 11 modes. Beyond the main beam, it has a separate camping light mode that emits a dazzling yellow light for surrounding area illumination, perfect for tents. Plus, a full 11 modes, including strobe and SOS. Durable and IPX7 waterproof. Made of aircraft-grade alloy and is IPX7 waterproof, meaning it can handle extreme weather and drops up to 10 feet. It's tough. So there you have it, 10 awesome gadgets that deliver on their promises. Whether you need to secure your data, sculpt your core, or light up the night, there's something here for every modern man. Which one of these gadgets is going straight into your cart? Let me know in the comments below.